How long do Vizio Smart TVs last? Vizio Smart TVs typically last 5 to 7 years with regular use, but with proper care and maintenance, they can function for up to 10 years or more. The longevity depends on usage habits, brightness settings, and environmental factors like heat and power fluctuations. 1. Average lifespan of Vizio Smart TVs. A Vizio Smart TV usually lasts 50,000 to 100,000 hours, which translates to 5 to 7 years of heavy use. If used in moderation with optimal settings, it can last a decade or longer without major performance issues. Second, display technology and durability. Vizio TVs primarily use LED and QLED panels, which are energy efficient and long-lasting. LED models tend to last longer than OLEDs due to the absence of burn-in issues, while QLED variants provide better brightness and color performance. Third, factors that affect TV lifespan. The lifespan of a Vizio Smart TV is influenced by brightness levels, ventilation, and power management. Keeping brightness too high, exposing the TV to excessive heat, and not using a surge protector can shorten its life. Fourth, common issues over time. Vizio Smart TVs may experience backlight dimming, power supply failures, and dead pixels after years of use. Regular firmware updates and ensuring a stable power source can help prevent many common issues. 5. Warranty and manufacturer support. Vizio offers a 1 to 2 year warranty, covering manufacturing defects and hardware malfunctions. Purchasing an extended warranty can provide additional protection and help extend the TV's service life. 6. Tips to extend the lifespan of a Vizio Smart TV. Reduce brightness settings to preserve the backlight. Turn off the TV when not in use to prevent overheating. Ensure good ventilation to avoid excessive heat buildup. Use a surge protector to protect against power fluctuations. Update software regularly for bug fixes and performance improvements. A Vizio Smart TV can last 5 to 10 years with proper care and maintenance. By adjusting brightness, ensuring good ventilation, and using a surge protector, users can maximize the TV's lifespan and enjoy high-quality entertainment for years.